If you like to use stickers in conversations and want to have your own, Sticker Maker is designed to create stickers of whatever you want. When we enter the application, we can see that it says create a new stickers package. There we tap and place the name we want. A folder type will be created, enter it and start. In the icon part we will place the image that will define our package, that is to say, if we are going to make stickers of a specific person or object, we will place it as the main one. We create it by tapping and choosing one of the options, Take Picture, Open Gallery, Select File, Sticker Library, or Text Only. If we choose to take a photo, we only have to capture what we want and immediately we can create it with cropping options, either free cut, square cut, or circular cut. Plus we can retry it before saving and put some text or outline. We also have the Smart Selection option which will select the object or person, as long as it is well defined. We repeat this action in the rest of the boxes that will be our stickers. Once done, we tap on the bottom where it says Add to WhatsApp, and when we enter our app, we can find our sticker pack. Have fun with your own stickers.